So Nick, somebody pulls their credit, let's say it's low 600s. What should they do?
Well, the first thing they should do is create an action plan. And the single most important part of that action plan is the benchmark or the goal that you're creating. I've had a lot of clients tell me, my lender only needs for me to have a 640 to get approved for a mortgage. So they set up an action plan shooting for the 640. The problem with that is if you fall slightly short, you're not getting anything, okay? What I like to tell my clients is let's set the action plan, let's set the bar very high. If your lender says 640, let's create an action plan and take action to 740. And if we fall short, well shoot, we still have a great buffer. We're still getting approved for what we need.
So set that bar high?
Absolutely.
And if you'd like to reach out to Nick directly to set your bar, you can do so by going to keycreditrepair.com.